Hello friends! Welcome everyone to a new video from Chef Joji. Today's video is about chicken kushka rice made using chicken. Kushka rice is one of the major street foods in many South Indian cities. We're making this kushka using 3 cups of basmati rice. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. So let's prepare chicken kushka rice very easily. To prepare kushka, we've taken a pan. When the pan gets hot, add 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil here. Along with that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Usually spices like cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom can be added at this point, but since I'm adding garam masala powder later, I'm skipping those here. When the cumin crackles, add 2 green chilies slit lengthwise, 2 small onions finely chopped. Mix and sauté this. Roast until the onions turn slightly soft. Now add 2 small tomatoes finely chopped. Mix it all well together. Next, add the chicken. I've cut the chicken into small pieces, washed and cleaned well. Adding that here, about 1½ cups of chicken. Now mix it all together thoroughly. Add salt needed for the kushka rice at this stage. Again, mix well. Now add 1½ tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and sauté thoroughly. Now the mixture is roasted to a medium level. Add 1½ teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1½ teaspoons of mild chili powder, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all of this well. Roast the masala nicely. Add 3 tablespoons of curd. Again, mix everything well. Now add ½ cup of chopped mint leaves and ½ cup of chopped coriander leaves. Mix all of that well. Now the masala is well roasted. Add water now. I've taken double the amount of water to rice, that is 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. So for 3 cups of rice, I've added 6 cups of water. Mix it well. Check the salt and add more if needed. Now the water is boiling nicely. At this point, we can add the rice. I've taken 3 cups of basmati rice, soaked it in water for 30 minutes, and washed it well. Add that into the pan now. Stir gently. To prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom, you can stir occasionally. But since we are using soaked rice, it's likely to break, so stir carefully and gently. Now the rice is 3/4 cooked. Time to place it on dum, slow cook. Close it tightly with a lid and place a weight on top. We need to dum cook this on a low flame. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove. Wait another 10 minutes, then open the lid. Now the kushka rice is set. Mix gently. While mixing hot rice, be careful not to break it or mash it. And that's it. Our super tasty chicken kushka rice is ready now. Since we boiled the chicken and rice together, all the flavor of the chicken has gone into the rice, so when we eat it, it tastes really good. This chicken kushka rice can be made very easily. You can eat it along with Raita, Pickle, or any side dish you like. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If this is your first time watching this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and follow the page. There are many older videos on Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page. Try watching those too. We'll be back soon with another new video. Until then, bye-bye.